So the easiest way not to be depressed when you're stuck in an uncertain situation or something you have not a lot of control over, is controlling what you can control. And what those are, every day work on completing three things that you want to get done. Three things that are going to help you feel like you won the day, or that you got better personally yourself, or that you got better at what you love to do, or what your work is. It depends on where you grab value from. But you need multi-layers here. So that's why I always pick three. And if I get those three things done, I have to say to myself, today was a win. Even if I still have another 20 things that I wanted to get done, right? So we need to whittle that list down. Everyone likes to take a big list and be like, boo, 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 boo. I got 18 things done, but I feel like I got nothing done, right? So you have to really go through what you want to accomplish each day, and you can do it the night before, is always great. And you pick, what are the three things that I'm going to be like tomorrow night? Man, this was a good day. I got that done. I did this right. Blah, 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 however you want to say it. But you should literally ask yourself, what are the three things I can do tomorrow that tomorrow night I'll be like, man, I feel good about this day. I feel like I accomplished something. I feel like I moved the needle further. I feel like I won the day. All right. And that's how you're going to stay in a good mindset, and you're going to get to your goals and not get stuck.